Vocabulary, periodic table. 1. Element, a substance made up of just one kind of atom. For example, oxygen and hydrogen are elements. 2. Atom, the smallest unit of an element that still keeps the properties of that element. 3. Periodic table, a chart that organizes all the known elements based on their properties, like how they behave and what they're made of. 4. A symbol, a short form or abbreviation used to represent an element, like O for oxygen or H for hydrogen. 5. Period, a row in the periodic table. Elements in the same row have similar characteristics. 6. Group family, a column in the periodic table. Elements in the same column share similar properties. 7. Atomic number, the number of protons found in an atom's nucleus. It helps identify an element on the periodic table. 8. Atomic mass, the total mass of an atom, which includes protons, neutrons, and electrons. 9. Metal, elements that are typically shiny, good conductors of electricity, and can be shaped easily. 10. Non-metal, elements that are not shiny, poor conductors of electricity, and generally brittle. 11. Proton, a tiny particle in the nucleus of an atom with a positive charge. 12. Neutron, a neutral particle found in the nucleus of an atom. 13. Electron, a tiny particle that orbits the nucleus of an atom and carries a negative charge. 15. Nucleus, the central part of an atom that contains protons and neutrons. 16. Isotope, different forms of an element that have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. 17. Valence electron, electrons in the outermost shell of an atom that are involved in chemical bonding. 18. Ion, an atom that has gained or lost electrons, giving it a positive or negative charge. 19. Alkali metal, elements in group 1 of the periodic table that are very reactive metals. 20. Alkaline earth metal, elements in group 2 of the periodic table that are less reactive than alkali metals. 21. Transition metal, elements in the middle of the periodic table that have varying properties and are often good conductors of electricity. 22. Metalloid, elements with properties intermediate between metals and nonmetals. 23. Halogen, elements in group 17 of the periodic table that are highly reactive nonmetals. 24. Noble gas, elements in group 18 of the periodic table that are usually inert or non-reactive. 25. Periodicity, the repeating pattern of properties in elements across rows and columns of the periodic table. 26. Atomic radius, the size of an atom, usually measured as the distance from the nucleus to the outermost electrons. 27. Electronegativity, the tendency of an atom to attract electrons when participating in a chemical bond. 28. Ionization energy, the energy required to remove an electron from an atom. 29. Cation, a positively charged ion formed by losing electrons. 30. Anion, a negatively charged ion formed by gaining electrons. 31. Chemical bond, an attraction between atoms that allows them to form compounds. 32. Compound, a substance formed by chemically bonding two or more different elements. 33. Molecule, the smallest unit of a compound that retains its chemical properties. 34. Hydrogen, the simplest and lightest element in the periodic table. 35. Carbon, an element known for forming the basis of many organic compounds essential for life. 36. Oxygen, an element crucial for supporting life through respiration and combustion. 37. Nitrogen, an element making up a large portion of Earth's atmosphere and essential for living organisms. 38. Silicon, a metalloid used extensively in electronics and as a component in building materials.